My name is Katie Wiley with The Kitchen Wild, and we are cooking my southern fried rockfish po' boy. We are gonna start with a few fillets of rockfish that we got right here in Newport. Set them aside for now while we mix up our batter that we are gonna soak these in the fridge for at least an hour to really infuse the flavor into this rockfish. So we're gonna take 2 cups of whole milk. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. Just mix those together. Then we are gonna soak our beautiful rockfish fillets. While our rockfish is refrigerated, we are gonna make the spicy mayo for our sandwich. We're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna add a little bit more of that Frank's buffalo sauce to it, some cayenne pepper, paprika, and that is it. We're gonna give it a good mix. Now that our rockfish has been in the fridge for at least an hour, we're gonna mix up our cornmeal mixture, and then it's gonna hit the deep fryer. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of cornmeal, garlic powder, paprika, and my favorite, Johnny's seasoning salt. I put that stuff in everything. And we're just gonna mix all of those ingredients up to season our cornmeal. Gonna take our rockfish fillets, dredge them in our cornmeal on all sides. So you're gonna wanna heat your oil to at least 350 degrees because the rockfish is such a delicate fish that it's gonna cook really quickly, and you want that cornmeal crust nice and golden brown. We're gonna take our spicy mayonnaise and put it on our bun. Place our beautiful rockfish directly on top. Lettuce, tomatoes, and the top of our sandwich. And there you have it, a southern fried rockfish po' boy sandwich that anyone would enjoy.